TalentLMS is designed to support a wide range of users with dynamic, role-based access. This allows everyone to have the tools and permissions tailored to their responsibilities with distinct roles like administrators, instructors, and learners. Once you've logged into TalentLMS, you can always check which role you're currently using from the right side navigation bar. Let's switch roles. Hover over your current role and a drop-down menu will appear. Select a new role to switch to. Now, let's look at how each role ties into your training. The administrator role is the highest level user role, overseeing all aspects of your portal. Administrators can access all settings, features, and courses, add and manage courses, users, groups, and branches, and monitor training progress and ensure the portal runs smoothly. The instructor role is focused on managing and delivering training. Instructors can create courses, add content, enroll learners, and customize course settings, form groups, generate reports, and initiate new discussion topics, or grade assignments and instructor-led training sessions for courses they're authorized to manage. Finally, we have the learner role. The learner role is at the core of TalentLMS, designed for users who engage in training and complete courses. It empowers learners to seamlessly navigate your portal, discover new courses, and effectively complete their training. Learners can access their assigned courses and complete training materials, explore the course catalog to find new courses to enroll into, participate in discussions, or track their progress, achievements, and certifications. Learners also have access to a home dashboard tailored to their needs, allowing them to easily access key information such as their recent course activity and daily schedule. And there you have it. By remembering these three roles and regularly checking which role you're currently using, navigating your TalentLMS portal is a breeze.